Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I have another set of 3 entries to my challenge, and this is really exciting, guys. I mean, getting all these packages and envelopes and IC cards from everybody is just, I'm amazed. Okay, so let's get into it. I got 3 packages here, and my first entry is from Donna Jackson. So let me open it up. And I just opened it, all of them, so I could save me some time. And oh my gosh. Okay. Here's the card. I'm glad I did it that way. I love anything with Paris on it. Oh, look at this card. Look at this card. It's so pretty and glittery. Thank you, Donna. Oh, look at it. Look at it. I love it. Oh, she didn't write in it, so I could reuse it. Oh my gosh. So let's read the note. It says, "Hi Tereese, I had so much fun making this IC and card for you. I hope you like them. I put a couple extra goodies in here. Not much, but just a little something. I've enjoyed getting to know you and enjoying your channel as well. I look forward to many more videos from you." Aw, thanks, Donna. Oh my God, you didn't have to give me any goodies. Your card and your IC would have been so much to me. Let me see, her IC is her IC. Oh, my camera. Sorry, guys. It's been giving me some. Look at this beautiful flower. Oh my gosh. Hopefully it opens on the bottom here. It opens on the side. Yay! Let me do it down here so I don't have to destroy the packaging. Yay! Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful entry. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's wrapped in tulle. I thought that was part of the IC card. Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't know where, I mean, oh my God, that's fabric. Oh my gosh, Donna. I am so amazed. That is fabric, guys. This thing right here is fabric. Oh my gosh, and look at this beautiful, what do you call these, Chinese cords? So pretty, and it says, "Some people like flowers. Some people like flowers. Give pleasure just by being." Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty, Donna. I love this. This trim is so different. I like that. And did you make these flowers? OMG. Wow. That's amazing. So her information is in the back. Her name is Donna Jackson, and her YouTube channel is Crafts and More with Donna Jackson. She's from South Carolina. Her birthday is July 29th. Her favorite colors, pink, lavender, and pastels. Her style is shabby, vintage, favorites, but she does a variety. She loves her Cricut trimmer and art glitter glue. Love paper crafting and lace. Enjoy combining them together. Oh, absolutely. It's not about how fast you get there, it's the climb. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Donna. I love your entry. That is gorgeous. Thank you. And of course, she sent me some goodies. Look at these napkins. Oh, I love napkins. Look at this one with the Paris on it. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to send you some napkins too. Oh, look at these, are so pretty. Oh, this is awesome. Good for 4th of July. Love this cup one. Oh my gosh, I do not have that. Oh my gosh. This is really pretty. Let me open it up so everybody can see the pretty napkin. Look how pretty that is. Romantico. That's what it says on the bottom here. I oohed and ah over this thing here. It says, oh, she gave me a couple of these. Awesome. Oh, it's a bike with a banner. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, Donna, you did not have to send me these. But these are so, oh, I love this blue. I'm not a blue person, but I do like blue. Oh my gosh, I love the this looks like hydrangea, but it's not. But I love the putty and the postal. Love that. And the butterflies. Oh, thank you, Donna. Did not have to give me anything, but that I'm hoping I want to do a oh, what do you call them? Like Mod Podge. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, these are fun magnets. Thank you. I love magnets on my refrigerator. And oh, she gave me some pink flat back trim. I love it. Thank you so much, Donna. So appreciate this so much. Okay. So these are the goodies from Donna, and I'm going to just put this aside and just showcase the IC card. Next up is Yalady. Yalady Ramos. Thank you, Yalady. I was hoping you would enter in my IC challenge. So, no, because I entered in hers, and I was just hoping for a return. And she gave me a thank you card, and thank you for your gift. Oh, this is from her, oh my gosh, she goes, dear friend, I just want to send you a little something, a hug and a good vibe from Florida, and I want to send you a little token of thank you for your awesome entry to my challenge and your friendship. Hope you like the goodies and enjoy them. Take care, and may God bless you and your family. From the bottom of my heart, your friend, Yalady. Oh, Yalady. Look at these cute, oh my gosh, I love these stickers. They have like coffee pots and what do you call them? Macaroons or macarons. I love it. Oh my gosh, these stickers are adorable. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are little mermaids. Oh, thank you, Yalady. That is such a nice thing. I'm gonna have to start doing mine. My thank you cards for my my challenge. So here is her entry. And oh my god, she sent me another card. Oh my goodness. Hi Tereese, thank you for hosting this fun challenge giveaway. I have so much fun. Hope you like it. Take care and God bless you and your family. Oh, Yalady, no, thank you for joining in. I always like your work and everything. So, oh my gosh, look at, oh no. Where do you guys get these vintage images? I know online, I know. I'm gonna have to start printing me up some. Oh, I thought this was fabric. I was like, where in the world are you getting them to print up on? Look at the layers. Oh my gosh, share your gifts with the world. Coffee break. Social butterfly. Look how pretty this IC card. Oh my god, this girl is stunning. Oh my gosh. And then she add these rhinestone bling. And there's these teeny tiny pink flowers. And some tickets and a butterfly. Oh my god, Yalady. And then look at this pretty trim that she put on the edge here. It's so gorgeous. And the background paper is vintage. I love it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to stare at this one for a little bit because there's lots of layers in the background. She inked the edges with, I want to say, I don't know, I don't know, something pink. I don't know Tim Holtz stuff very well. Okay, so her name is Yalady Ramos here on YouTube, and she's from Florida. Her birthday is July 30th. Her favorite colors are teal, pink, black, and yellow. Her favorite craft tool is her Big Shot Tombow Aqua Mono Liquid Glue. You know, is that the clear glue? Because that is good glue. That is, besides the glitter glue, that's another good glue. Favorite style, vintage, shabby, chic, and simply. She loves Disney, Mickey. Sorry. Look like a, see, I need better glasses. Oh my gosh. She likes sweet treats, coffee, summer, and Christmas, unicorns, mermaids, butterflies, and birds. Aw, thank you, you lady. I appreciate you joining my challenge, and this card is amazing. Oh, she even glossy accent the teapot or the teacup. And these dimensional butterflies are like vellum. Let me show you a little closer there. Okay, so that's another, oh my gosh, these are awesome entries. All of them are. I'm just amazed. So the last one, but not least, this is from Joyce. Oh my gosh, Joyce. I was worried about your package. It did not come when you told me it was supposed to come. She told me it was supposed to come on Thursday, I think, the last time we chatted, and I was like, I haven't gotten it yet, and I was just oh no, Friday, and I was getting worried. So I'm so glad it got here all in one piece. So this is from Joyce, and her last name, oops, is Falgut. Hopefully I said that correctly. Oh my gosh, she sent me goodies. Girl, you're not supposed to send me any goodies. Oh my God, look at this eyelash trim. And she sent me, ooh, 4th of July, what do you call these? Paper straws. Goodness gracious, girl. Okay. Okay. And she gave me, oh my Lord. Okay, we're gonna have to dig. This looks like some beads. I just sent no, this looks like some beaded trim. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to open that up. Okay, so this is her entry. Yay! Oh, do you have the paper bag? Oh my God, I love this paper bag, Joyce. Can I open it? I don't want to ruin the bag. I just bought the goodie bag ruler from We Are Memory Keepers because I want to make some bags. Oh wow. Okay. So the bag itself is gorgeous. I love this bag, or this paper. I don't know if this is pattern paper from a line, but it is pretty, pretty, pretty. And oh, looks like she made me a tag. I love it, Joyce. It's pink and brown, my favorite colors. So funny you asked me what were my favorite colors the other day, and I told you. And I was wondering why she was asking, and I know now. Look at this beautiful lace in the background and these beautiful butterflies. I love butterflies. Love them, and the beautiful flat back pearls. Oh my gosh, Joyce, thank you so much. I love it. Oh, hopefully nobody saw that. Look at this IC card. Amazing. I love how you did this die. It's an oval scallop die that she intertwined the ribbon through. And these look like die cuts. It says live, laugh, and love. Oh my gosh. And then look at this pretty flower. I'm assuming you made, Joyce. And then look at this pretty image. You guys have the prettiest images. Look, all three of these have vintage girls on them. I love it. And look at this trim that she put all around the edge. It's so gorgeous, Joyce. I love it. Thank you so much. So it is Joyce Fallgood. Fallgout? Good? Never mind. I'm terrible with names. Just like Judy. Judy and I are the same. I'm terrible with names. She's from Louisiana. She was born June 30th. She loves all colors, all styles. Favorite drinks are tea and Dr. Pepper. She's married to Brent. She has, I have grown boys and 3 grandsons. Favorite treat, pecan praline. Ooh, Is that ice cream or candy or, anything? I love the, no, that's not pecan. No, it is pecan syrup, from IHOP. Well, it's no longer IHOP, it's IHOB. But I love it. Joyce, thank you so much for entering. It's so pretty. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, Donna. Thank you, you lady. And thank you, Joyce. Thanks, everybody, for stopping by today. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.